right-hand side. Landing lane is in the middle.
Hey, Gar, pick up the comm real quick. This is Malta. Picking up the comm? Who is this again? This is Malta. Is this Gar? Yes, sir. It is Gar to Malta. Gar to Malta. Copy that. Malta to Gar. Copy that.
I'm not sitting here for 2 hours while we're waiting in line. Also, how did the Honda engine queue work?
Oh, right in. You get right in.
Why did you disconnect? Because the thrust vectors are moving. No, don't touch anything. This is the first time those little suckers have moved since we brought the engine in here. No, they stopped. Oh, Hondo's not going to be happy. Well, we're not going to get a lot of smuggling, transporting done without an engine, now are we? Keep it moving, people. We're trying to do work here. Just keep moving. Gar on the comm. This is Gar. Pick up Malta. This is Malta. Go ahead. Malta? Oh, what's with all these people everywhere today? Hondo's hiring new flight crews. No experience necessary. No experience necessary? Yeah, I've got no experience. Why doesn't he put me on flight crew? How do I put this gently? I don't think you're flight crew material, Gar. Come on! I literally just saw an 8-year-old walk by. Trust me, Gar, you don't want this job. Action, adventure, danger. You faint before leaving the hangar. Oh, okay. Yeah, good point. Yeah. Keep it moving, people! Trying to do work here. Keep moving.
Hilarious, my friend. My employees love to joke while they work. It's just another benefit of working for Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Am I right? An exciting career in the left-of-field world of interstellar smart shipping. We are shipping.
But it's like super close to the one we did last time. They're like, so we most so.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. As we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind.
Make your way down the
Come along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. You wanted too much, R5. I will never send them any place dangerous that might damage the ship. And them too, yes, well. This is why I start my own company. To have ridiculous conversations with the talking trash team.
Just like for one more color to come on board, and then we'll send you down the hallway. Here we go. So we're gonna be light colored red. All the way down the hallway, please. Light colored red. Light colored red.
I have my 4 all the way inside.
Take a look around, explore, we're going to call you up, okay? There's no designated spot, guys. Feel free to roam around.
Right sons. Right sons.
What color were we using? Gold, perfect. So I'm looking around, guys. Explore, we will call you up very soon to get colors back.
We're about to shoot that. Missile launcher lights up halfway to my right. My engineer, just in case I get any
Green, light green. Whatever your guys green.
Right this way. Nothing to be afraid of. Eh? Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Alright, like please put all bags and all personal items to the side or to the floor. Alright, and if it's on your seatbelts, Herbie.
Time is money.
And then can I have you tug on the yellow tab for me right here? Tug, tug, tug. Thank you. Alright, can you tug on it? Thank you. Tug. Alright.
Flight engineer, repair next. Hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. I'll do what I can to help out. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. Push forward to fly out. Only one gunner. Sure. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. Now cut that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Would you fly through them? Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Well, it's harder than it looks. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You will delivered the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Rata loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. What is it? With tentacles. I hate tentacles. How many tentacles? Well, I'm not opening these doors. Time for you to go. Don't worry. The payment is on the way. Trust me.